You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this car model, as well as how to say more car names that too many people mispronounce, like this one. Everyone says it wrong, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Agera, Agera is how it's said in Swedish. Agera, I'm just looking up what it actually means: to act, to take action. Agera, so Agera, so in English, Agera, Agera, not Agera, Agera, Agera. And now you know. More videos where you're here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.